like teardrops falling from the sky. It is like a blessing in disguise that we fail to realize. Now I have to pay the price. Young man,
Whoa.
be careful and think it's wise.
Careful.
Before you choose to use your device.
Whoa.
So you don't have raindrops falling from your eyes. You see that blessing in disguise.
And it fall from my eyes.
The sacrifice, I see that. Them are writing stuff about me. Most of them I know, there's only one destroying me. Oh yeah, them not get another story. On top my pain, they want to claim, say them only see I These girls are very deadly, but before I say so, I check them, nobody rape me. I love them, plus my bikini steady. They are my little sensi,
and I will respect them.
All them women advise me when talking me truthfully. See, I don't have no time for no hypocrisy. I have no time for the people that treat them eyes in my matter. I know some people will say some things that will cut like a knife. They make me the one, so they my right. Making me feel
like a mother.
Like rain falling from my eyes.
And it fell from my
Just like
eyes.
tears falling from the
Came from the
sky.
sky, pour from the
It's like
sky.
a blessing in disguise that we fail to realize.
Fail to realize. Pay the price. Young man,
be careful and think it twice
you thinking,
before you choose to
use your device.
Falling from your
Came from my eyes, it fell from my eye, it came from my eye.
I see it. See, what is it you want from me? What is your expectation?
What is it you feel? What is it you think about me?
What is your imagination? How do you see me? Yes, I am God's creation, but I am not the only one. I say we plenty, and there is no more equal one.
We're heading to the same destination.
You just be living your life, living your life, doing your thing. Make some people breathe. Live and let live. Oh, I don't my blessing make you count your. I hope because of this you will not start to close your door. And as we go, just take some time to check your flaws.
Just now, let me know. Came from my eye, fell from my eye. It came out the sky. Blessing, yes, we fail to realize. I have to. Young man, whoa.
Be careful and think it twice before you choose
to use your device. Whoa, yes. My raindrops that came from my eye, came from my eyes, it fell out my eyes, and it fell out my eyes. Yo, same for me girlies then, make me wanna stick with them. The girls of my heart so bad, still choose to fuck with them, still choose to roll with them. Same for me girlies then, make me wanna stick with them. Them girls of my heart so bad, still choose to fuck with them, still choose to roll with them.